Hello and welcome to Lingua Lidiya. Let's talk about success. What is success to you? There are probably as many answers to this question as there are people. Is it about being perfect? Is it about making the right choices? Is making mistakes a big part of success? Is being humble a big part of success? Is beauty a big part of success? Is courage a big part of success? We ask ourselves these questions because we all want and deserve to be recognized for the big things and for the little things we do every day. For what we are good at and for what we fail at. For helping our friends and loved ones, for being there for someone. Perhaps success is about having a purpose. Perhaps success is about maintaining and developing relationships. Perhaps success is simply about being at peace with yourself. What do you think? If you enjoyed watching this video and would like to see some more, please make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye!